Nah. Oh my gosh, honey, come quick. Our baby's making sounds. I think he's about to say his first words. A baby's first words are nothing special. Babies are stupid. They can only say stupid things like mama, and this baby's no different. Come on, we've heard this 100 times. Wait, he has a new look on his face. I think he's gonna say something different.
Shut the fuck up, you nasty bitch. I don't know how the fuck you jump in my son, you little nasty ass nigga. Shut your little bitch ass up, you dirty bitch. Who the fuck is this long ass, long jawbreaker looking ass nigga named Miss Mary? Shut your little bitch ass up, you ugly ass nigga. You dirty as shit, bitch.